How to convert PDF to JPG in Pixillion. Add your PDF files to Pixillion, then select the files you want to convert. Choose JPG from Convert to File and click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to convert PDF to JPG in Pixillion. Start by adding your PDF files to Pixillion. You can drag and drop files into the program window, or click Add Files to browse and select them manually. Select the files you want to convert by clicking individually, using Ctrl to select multiple files, or choosing Select All to highlight everything in the list. Open the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose JPG. Click Set Output Folder to choose where the converted files will be saved. Adjust compression settings to control image quality and file size. Choose higher quality for better detail or lower quality for smaller file sizes. When ready, click Convert to begin the batch conversion process. After conversion, click Open Output Folder to quickly access your converted files. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.